Coda. Close the door. Uh-oh, other way. Other way. Good boy. Good boy. Now will you close this door? Close the door. Oh, good boy. Look at you. You want that? You're such a good dog. Alright, close the door. Close. No. No. No, drop it. Good boy. Close the door. Good boy. Very good. Whoops. Alright, pull. Pull. Good boy. Good boy. Very nice. Now close the door. Close the door. No. No. You just took that right off. Coda, you want this? Want your treat? Oh. Look. Look. Spit that out. You want this? Coda, hey. Good smelling treat right here. Want to drop it? Good boy. Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. All the way. Close the door. Oh, it doesn't want to shut, does it? Good boy. Good boy. Look at you. You're quite something. You're just gobbling that down like it's food.